Come along, kids, let's have some fun, learning the alphabet, everyone.
A is for apple, so juicy and bright. B is for butterfly, dancing in flight. C is for castle, tall and so grand. D is for dinosaur, roaring in the land.
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming every day.
G is for giraffe, stretching up high. H is for house, where we live and sigh. I is for igloo, cold and icy blue. J is for jacket, keeping us warm too. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, roaring in the sky. M is for mouse, quick and small. N is for nest, where birds call. O is for ocean, vast and deep. P is for penguin, waddling to sleep. Q is for queen, royal and fair. R is for robot, moving with care. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for turtle, slow and steady tonight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing a happy sigh. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for X-ray, looking inside me. Beside me. Y is for yellow, bright and bold. Z is for zebra, stripes young and old.